I'm going to show you how to do the KFB, knit front back, all right? So it's an increase. So what all it is, so let's just knit the first stitch here. I've done a knit row there, but we'll do the first stitch. So basically all it is knit into the front like you would normally, all right? But don't take the stitch off, come up and then go to the back and just knit that bit as well. Knit the back of the stitch as well. So you're knitting the front and the back of the stitch. So come up there, then slide your needle off, your stitch off. So again, front, knit, but instead of sliding that one off there, you're going to go into the back and you're going to knit again. So you've basically knitted into the front of the stitch and to the back of the stitch. So then come up through there, slide it off. So let's do that again. So knit into the front, wrap it round, bring it up, but don't slide that off. Turn it round. That needle then is going to go into the back of that stitch there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to wrap your yarn round, pull it up like you would with that, and then slide it off. Slide it off. So again, knit into the front. So do like your normal knitting, but don't slide it off. You're going to go into the back of the stitch there, and then you're going to knit that. Then you come back and then you slide it off. One more. So into the front, wrap it round, then don't take it off, go to the back of the stitch there, and then you're going to knit it. So you've knitted into the front and the back basically, and that's give you. So as you can see, from one stitch there, you've got 2 stitches. That's all it is to do knit front and back. That's an increase method.